India has to progress and become a $10 trillion economy. We cannot get there without women playing a much larger role in our economic growth.
I love the author Glennon Doyle's statement that imagination is not where you go to forget reality, but where you go to remember it. And reality should be us living and working in a gender-balanced world.
On a program that I was doing a couple of days ago said this notion that women are risk averse is not true. They're more risk aware, and there's a difference.
Even a simple thing like how a job ad is worded can make a difference to the proportion of women who apply.
And you basically need to hire more women. I think India is doing well. We're educating our women. We're ambitious for our women at the entry level. We all celebrate when our young girls get into the workforce, but I think we just aren't doing enough to retain them.
If you try to look at what happens in the middle management, clearly life stage issues come into play. And at least at Wipro, what we've tried to do is don't paint all women issues with the same brush.
There are all kinds of barriers that women face that emanate from the household.
For us in the media, I think changing the narrative has been very important. Storytelling has been very important. For instance, I am tired of people saying that women lack ambition, because that's not the case. It's not that they lack ambition, they lack the infrastructure.
So you have taken a maternity leave, you are there in a maternity leave for 3-4 months. You are not eligible for promotions.
When women come back from maternity, the first ask is, can you give me something which is a support role, a back-ended role? You know, I don't want to stretch. And the moment you get into that trap, let me tell you, it's a story that will end on its own.
You know, that really sets you back. I come back from my maternity leave. Of course, I get the role I want, but I'm 2 levels below the guys, right, that I left behind. That creates a mindset for me, which is hard to basically then compensate for.
But only 21% of companies have an action plan. So what we want is companies need to have an action plan. They need to have a target, an action plan. They need to disclose that.
I do believe that we need to change this idea of benefits to investments, because when you talk about maternity benefits, it's not just the woman that's benefiting, it is society that's benefiting from an investment that the government or a corporation is actually making.
I myself have kick-started my career after a 5 years gap. So I relate to this talk so much.
There's one program that I'm particularly proud of, which we call the Enrich program. At the middle management, if you're able to spur them to take on those roles, and what are you doing as an organization to enable them to take on those roles?
There is also an onus on the women to ask more of the men in their lives, because if you don't ask, actually you don't get.
It's very important that women speak up and let your family know about your ambition. Because not letting them know is the worst thing that you could do to yourself.
So encouraging these conversations to happen, visually seeing this is also going to force change in society. At least that's my hope, that is my belief.